Ebook available for GK questions. The C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories, now AT&T Labs, in the early 1970s. Ritchie created C as a general-purpose programming language for developing the Unix operating system, which was also developed at Bell Laboratories. The first official version of C, called C version 0, was released in 1972. During the 1970s, C gained popularity due to its portability and efficiency. Bell Laboratories made the C compiler available to other research institutions and universities, which helped spread its usage beyond Bell Labs. C was also used in the development of other operating systems, including the early versions of the popular Unix-like operating systems such as BSD and Linux. In 1978, Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie published the book, The C Programming Language, commonly referred to as K&R C, which became the de facto standard for learning C programming. This book helped popularize C as a programming language and became widely used for teaching C in universities and institutions. In the 1980s, C was adopted for commercial software development due to its efficiency, portability, and wide range of applications. C compilers were developed for different platforms, making it possible to write C code that could run on various hardware architectures. This further fueled the popularity of C as a programming language for systems programming, embedded systems, and application development. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, C++ was developed as an object-oriented extension of C, which added new features to C and further expanded its capabilities. C++ became a popular programming language, but C continued to be used extensively due to its simplicity, efficiency, and compatibility with existing C code. Over the years, C has continued to evolve, with new standards released periodically, such as ANSI C, C89, C99, and C11, each adding new features and improving the language's capabilities. C remains widely used today in various domains, including systems programming, embedded systems, game development, scientific computing, networking, and more. It has a large developer community and continues to be a popular and influential programming language.